Have you ever seen a journal asking for rupees 50,000, 1 lakh, or even more for publication, and then another journal publishes completely free? So, what is actually happening? Does expensive mean better? Does open access mean predatory? And what exactly the terms like gold open access, hybrid journal, subscription journal, APC charges? Many researchers hear these terms during general selection and many don't fully understand them, and because of this confusion researchers often choose the wrong journal, pay unnecessary APC charges, or avoid good journals thinking they are fake. So in this video I will explain the major journal publishing models in very simple language, and more importantly when researchers should choose each model strategically. So be with me till end. We will start with the first. Open access simply means the published research paper is completely free for everyone to read online with no subscription, no university login, no payment required for readers. Anyone in the world can access the paper. That is open access. Now, this increases visibility, readership, sharing, and sometimes citation as well. But here's the important thing. Open access does not automatically mean predatory. Many top publishers offer legitimate open access journals. For example, Elsevier, Springer Nature, Wiley, MDPI, Frontiers all publish open access journal. For example, Elsevier, Springer Nature, Wiley, MDPI, Frontiers all publish open access journals. So, open access is simply a publication model, not a quality indicator by itself. The next comes the gold open access. Now, understand the most important type. In gold open access journals, the article becomes freely available immediately after publication, but usually the author pays something called APC. The APC means Article Processing Charge. This is the publication fee charged by the journal. The logic is simple. Instead of readers paying to access the article, the author pays once and then the article becomes free for everyone. Some APCs may be 20,000, rupees 50,000, or rupees 1 lakh, or even higher in international journals. This is where many researchers panic. They think journal is charging APC, maybe it is mandatory. No, a legitimate journal can charge APC and a predatory journal can also charge APC. APC alone does not determine journal quality. You must still verify indexing, publisher authenticity, peer review quality, journal scope, editorial board, and website legitimacy. In the third, we have the classical model, that is subscription based model. In this model, the subscription journals, the reader or university pays to access the paper. That is, your university library buys general access subscription. So, readers can only access papers through institutional login, library access, or paid purchase. In this model, many journals do not charge authors publication fees, meaning the authors may publish free but the readers pay to read the article. This is the traditional publication model. The next comes the hybrid journals. Now it is the most confusing terms, hybrid journal. That these hybrid journals are basically subscription journals. That also give authors an option for open access. You can choose option 1, that is publish free under subscription model, or option 2, pay APC and make your article open access, that is hybrid publishing. This is extremely common in major publishers. For example, many journals from Elsevier, Springer Nature, Taylor and Francis follow hybrid models. This is important strategically. If your funding agency requires open access, your university mandates open access, or you want maximum visibility, then hybrid option can help. Otherwise, you can often publish without APC under the subscription route. The another comes the green open access and repository uploads. Now let's quickly discuss green open access. This means you publish in a journal normally, but you are allowed to upload preprint, accepted manuscript or author version in institutional repositories, personal website or platform site ResearchGate depending on journal policy. This improves accessibility without necessarily paying APC charges, but always check publisher copyright before uploading. The next comes the Diamond Open Access. Now another interesting model. Here readers do not pay and authors also do not pay. Both are free, usually supported by universities, academic societies, government fundings, or research organization. These journals exist, but they are less common. And again, free publication does not mean low quality. Some excellent journals operate under this model. And the next question arises, very important, which model should researchers choose? This is the biggest practical question in the researchers face. Which model should you choose? The answer depends on your situation. If you have funded projects, institutional APC support, or need maximum visibility, the open access can be useful. But if budget is limited, subscription journals may be perfectly fine. If your institution requires public accessibility, hybrid or gold access may help. And honestly, for many researchers, journal quality matters more than publishing model. Now, never choose journals based only on free publication or open access. Instead, evaluate indexing, journal scope, peer review, publisher legitimacy, publication timelines, and research fit. This is the real journal selection strategy. Now, you should clearly understand the difference between gold open access, hybrid journals, subscription journals, and green open access journals and APC charges. Remember, open access is not automatically predatory, and paid APC does not automatically mean scam. The real goal is choosing a legitimate journal that matches your research strategically, because smart publication decisions can save researchers months of rejection, unnecessary APC cost, and publication delays. If this video helped you to clarify general publishing models, comment below which publishing model confused you the most before this video. And if you want more videos on journal selection, publication strategy, peer review, indexing, and research paper writing, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.